Welcome to our channel Data Breaksci. In the last video we discussed regarding data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer role. Today we will discuss regarding another role, business intelligence analyst, with its skills requirement and live example. At the end we are going to do a comparative study with data analyst, scientists, and engineers. A business intelligence (BI) analyst role primarily focuses on using data to provide insights for better decision-making within an organization. BI professionals gather, analyze, and present data in a way that helps businesses understand their performance, identify opportunities, and make informed choices. Here's a breakdown of the key aspects of a BI role with examples and a comparison to data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer roles. Business intelligence, BI role. BI professionals gather and analyze data to produce reports, dashboards, and visualizations that enable organizations to make informed decisions. They often work with historical data and are focused on delivering insights to business stakeholders. Skills: data analysis, proficiency in SQL, Excel, and data analysis tools. Data visualization, ability to create informative charts and dashboards using BI tools like Tableau, Power BI, or ClickView. Domain knowledge, understanding of the business and industry to provide context to data insights. Strong communication skills. BI professionals must effectively communicate data findings to non-technical stakeholders. Example: a BI analyst at a retail company might analyze sales data over the past year to identify trends. They could create a dashboard that shows monthly sales, top-performing products, and geographic sales distribution. The BI analyst might use this information to recommend adjustments to inventory, marketing strategies, and pricing. Comparison with data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer. Data analyst versus BI role. Data analysts focus on in-depth data analysis and generating insights, but may not always specialize in creating dashboards or reports. BI professionals specialize in creating reports and dashboards to deliver actionable insights to business stakeholders. They often work with historical data and are more focused on providing a business context for their findings. Data scientist versus BI role. Data scientists concentrate on predictive and prescriptive analytics, often using machine learning and statistical techniques to solve complex problems. BI professionals primarily focus on descriptive analytics, providing historical insights to support day-to-day business operations and decision-making. They typically do not delve deeply into predictive modeling or advanced machine learning. Data engineer versus BI role. Data engineers focus on building and maintaining data infrastructure and pipelines, ensuring data is collected, cleaned, and made available for analysis. BI professionals use existing data infrastructure to create reports and visualizations. They are less involved in building data pipelines or managing data storage systems. In summary, while data analysts, data scientists, data engineers, and BI professionals all work with data, their roles, skills, and objectives differ. BI professionals focus on delivering descriptive insights and data visualizations to business stakeholders, whereas the other roles have distinct technical and analytical responsibilities, ranging from data engineering to predictive modeling. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more informative videos like this.